Firstly, the Joshi Nangtu Manzu sentence structure types kor jai sentence structure types ladatu sentence siktu sedangi rig khashis. The ring is in the Nangtu Manzu sentence structure type nangla ni tahi thangbo di simple sentence and niwa di compound sentence. So the ring is in the Nangtu Manzu sentence structure ki rig ni di tahi 딩글라 당연히 모두 주셔 삼성 아니 subject and predicate subject 다 predicate की 당연히 모두 주셔 삼성 subject लना it tells about who and what the sentence is about किसी सिक्टू जियो ना दिसु ये ना घर को लई बैठी तिला subject लर पेज ताज ना दावा played football दावा की पोलिस जैसा yana dawa police bare la nai tik sat ta dela police ni su bare police ni su im badila subject ler sing in suresha dawa re to chesa dawa subject chader example niwa pe niwa sta my friends are studying su igi jang de re ni gi tropo ti joshi di su ban ke shi de re ni gi tropo so ni tropo ni khati de re igi jang de sha so तादिंग अजु लेला छना छेपा पोलर हिनया छमसम इंजिमि छेंगी मैने इटिक्दर ओ सिटु नाउतो त निवा दिखरे predicate the predicate lana kharana it tells about what the subject is or does छेपा पोलर याना छेंगे जिरा subject दी खाइ बरे याना खर छेबा जुरा दि देशे किंदेला अजु predicate लर penetration na my pen is not working tadila subject khajire my pen ngai nyuko ta ko che khelega choma ina ta ngai nyuko korke shit chesa my pen di subject chadra is not working di khajire predicate char ni gi nyuko di khachidere lega chegomar ta subject di khari imbare yamena khar chebadla deshe gyadla predicate lar pen niwatana Toma is sleeping Toma khadesha ni khudesha ta Toma kharchi dere ni khudere chesa subject di kharchi dere jora dilang do khalare predicate ta chiktu khai imbalala subject ta predicate chana ani thanda chamaji char ta ngaju tharingi jushin nandu simple sentence ki sotang chiktai tingola simple sentence khai madi deshish kya sha a simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate. It is a complete sentence. Tadanda shevanashi simple sentence nandu subject chida predicate yore ani de kharjure the chamaji thenda chiktu nandu thenda chamaji sugure ta dingola ngadu jinda sentence formation like kissing jinda dingol kisi gela kanzo thana chena dinamlo chepapo chawa chayo yujira dirodan chipachigyar ta dinamdo ngazu simple sentence kisa nanamdo thangbo ngazu jinda nandu chiktu satangi dropshi di todan di chipachigyai penetration na chik thangbo di kunga joined the monastery kunga khajire komba la jures yamena komba ta kalore join lena ta thi bora namas kurina de khali de gomba nang ju pati ke shor ju le du dung ju khamba nang ju law ma ta chawa chem namas kholiyor kunga joined the monastery ta de la sure chengi di sure subject di kunga ra su gor ke shidra kunga ko khar chere gomba la ju bare gomba ju ran da ko chawa ju me na ba kholir ni join the monastery khachidare predicate chadir chesa kunga join the monastery la du chiktu Sangmaji Chadir. Penyivati, we watched a movie. We learn Mansura, watched a movie, Mansu Temushik Tain Laura. Tadi subject is Mansur. Predicate Kare, watched a movie. Temushik Ra. Somebody, my relatives went to Uti last year. My Pinja so, Longoma Dilla, Kawachimbare, Uti Lachimbares. 제가 my relatives 라도 subject 차들에 went to Uti last year. 롱어머들 Uti 침바지요라 디 가지래 predicate 차들. 페시와디 we have a meeting at 9 a.m. 먼저 가야래 추주 고알라 쇼비 추주 고알라 정도식이요. 술래요래 맞을라. So we lady subject 체 have a meeting at 9 a.m. 디 가지래 predicate 차들. The monastic examination is in September. Kombe sidi kaduresha September nabe. So dila subject kajare the monastic examination. Ta dila subject la donga dunya la cheba polan teshish kya yara. Ina ta inji minji cheba po chako samare. Joshi घर गांव लके शिगिदी दी सब्जेक्ट चल रहे जैसा हम जोशी दी घर गांव के शहर कोम्बे एग्जीक्यूशन दर जैसा मोनास्टिक एग्जामिनेशन दी सब्जेक्ट चतुर We studied English and science. Also, घर जहाँ पर है सेरिक दा इंजी दा सेरिक जहाँ रेस. So, the subject दिखा चले रहे we चले रहे predicate दिखा चले रहे studied English and science. जैसा simple sentence नाम दो also थंबो सिक्टू सुधान चुरा दिंगो लजिंटा नाम दो sentence formation नाम ताकि दी प्रदान चिको चिकिया रहे. तो नीवा दिखा जो खाता रहे दारिंग जोशी नाम दो सिक्टू सुधान नाम ना Compound sentence. Compound sentence contains at least two simple sentences. The compound sentence now the simple sentence to rigni two join share the join na together. These two simple sentences can be combined with the coordinating conjunction. Siktu simple sentence ni di two kile ani koni two gani siktu chik suere inaya two gadu khar kore coordinating conjunction. Conjunction under delta thing along the gender. The coordinating conjunction occur kardu for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So the danger coordinating conjunction now. The simple sentence me kile and the but the situ kar rempadu on the vegetana and situ chick sudur. Kagani di chick sudur. The lakhalare compound sentence. The coordinating conjunction ala sig dindi two geni color lela bochini nga to semela fan boys ler kolegi igi thangbo changma two geni tela kharsher fan boys so tempanya lela tang compound ki sentences ki dekhashi shik ta tari ta thanda lapa yoma chul khayre simple sentence near penetration I lent her my pen nigi mola ngarangi nyuku yarba yis le ra hina kalore ki ba yis number school she never returned it back mo namya the lo ma song to number school ta ditsi to khaga nir ta dini ga hare simple sentence nir the compound sentence na khar chire dini together do khar kore delten gi sik khar pe jawre coordinating conjunction chi pe jawre penetration I lent her my pen but she never returned it back. Nigi molangarangi nyuko yarba yins inaya mo then namya lo masons. Kajire mo nam inaya mo nyugudi namya lo masons. Ta dena kajire siktu kaga nidi siktu chiksure ani chiksudu tu yala kajire coordinating conjunction penation but the prepare. Nivadi, Kunga is a good man. I don't trust him. Kunga mi yapushi grace. Nga khola I chigimes. That is simple sentence. Nire khaga khagare. Tapani thugen chik sudu khachigre. Kunga is a good man. Yet I don't trust him. Kunga mi yapushi grace. Hinde hinegi do chinani nga khola I chigimes. I chigimes lachura tichadar. So, Chanang Khatiola, the coordinating conjunction Khati Pijitantu, Dingle at Situ Jura, Della Nam Unimazu, full stop here, Situ Kagajixu, Taina del Tigedu Kajure, Koma Pisnar. Koma Rana, the dark Shimjistua, Dilla, Komalar. So, on the Katina compound sentence do simple sentence Tango Diti, Dijella, Komati, any coordinating conjunction T, Dijella, Situ Shambadi, Chur. The Pe somebody, I fell down from the stairs. I didn't hurt myself. Nga kenza ni malhum sung, nga ngara ngara masyo masong. Di situ kaganir. I fell down from the stairs, but I didn't hurt myself. Nga kenza ni malhum sung. Inaya nga ngara ngara masyo masong. Ejora di chadur. Shivadi, you can cook dinner. Kya gonda khala sena digres. You can order online. Kya online ni ngana digres. So they need to you can cook dinner or you can order online. Kya khala sena digre yana kya khala online na ngana digres laur. Ni dijaladi, I was hungry. I cooked Maggie. Nga thogot tofong. Ani nge Maggie sebayis. I was hungry, so I cooked Maggie. Nga thogot tose. Hinche ani ni khasure Maggie sebayis. I was hungry, so I cooked Maggie. Nga thogot tofong. Chene nigi Maggie sebayis la tendechik nabashko tila. Ani thamadi, I like tea. She likes coffee. Nga cha gabuye mo coffee gabuye res. Di together I like tea and she likes coffee. So compound sentence namdu simple sentence ni kaga ni di thigane chik sere ringbushi ani dinna khar pe dawnre coordinating conjunction delte gi chik di pe dawnche ani charer. And thirring is the nana, the Tagara, and they'll Yankyo Karjong Chichora, simple sentence the compound sentence. Simple sentence nala, subject to the predicate chi. Compound sentence nala, simple sentence ni inaya, Jara Lakhargore, coordinating conjunction. Kunga joined the monastery. We watched a movie. My relatives went to Goa. We have a meeting at 9 a.m. We studied English and science. This pizza is delicious. My TV is not working. The compound sentence I lent her my pen, but she never returned it back. Kunga is a good man, yet I don't trust him. I fell down from the stairs, but I didn't hurt myself. I was hungry, so I cooked Maggie. You can cook or you can order online. I like tea and she likes coffee. So, taringi jushin nandu di sikdu gi sedangi domshi ni di pechtai shungman zina nandu ani di nanji sikdu kagar khasagi yangi ni jure di nganzu jinda jema nandu jiktago. Ani gila ginzu ma shana dodo dende ne shitsu sikdu lelapo swagi ani bejan chironas lai ani tamadi tagarais ani thank you ani gila ginzu ni jinda di subscribe chena jushi sawa khadlu na gila ginzu la ani notification le do res tagarais ani thank you.